In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate text, videos, or even images in Google Slides. Actually, animating anything in Google Slides is quite simple. Let me show you how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, to begin, go ahead and identify the slide you want to animate. For my case here, I have this slide that has images as well as text. First, let me show you how you can animate images in slides. To do so, go ahead and identify the slide or the image that you want to animate, and then head over here and click on Insert. And from this, look for the option called Animation. If you click on it, we shall have now a pop-up window here on the right hand side for us to animate. Currently, you can see it is set to appear on click. So let me go ahead and delete this so that we can begin a fresh one. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and make sure that you have clicked on the object you want to animate for the animation option to appear here. So I'll click on this. Now you can see we have an option to add animation. If I click on add animation, go ahead and click under this down arrow here under appear and choose the style of animation that you want. As you can see, we have quite a number of styles that we can choose from. For instance, we can choose this to fly from right. So if I choose fly from right, like that, I'll now go ahead and choose on the action to be taken before it begins to fly. And we have here quite a number of options such as on click, after previous, or with previous. So I'll choose on click, and here go ahead and choose the speed of your animation. As you can see, we have three options. You can set it to slow, medium, or fast. So if I go ahead and move this to medium like that, now we can go ahead and play and then watch how this will be animated. So if I play, now look at that. I'll have to go ahead and click because I chose to animate on click. So let me click and see now. Wow, here we go. So you can see how that works out or how that burns out. So if I play again, you can see again, and then go ahead and click because I chose to animate or to play on click. It will go ahead and move from right to left as I chose. Now, if you want to stop it, you can go ahead and click on stop here. Now we can also go ahead and animate text. So if I click on this text box, we can also go ahead and apply the same. So let me go ahead and click on add animation and also choose from top like this. And also on click, I want this now to move faster. So I'll go ahead and leave it at that so that it moves very fast. And now if I go ahead and click on play and then launch it by clicking on the slide, you can see. So that is how we can animate images. Now for text, we can also do the same. First, I'll go ahead and delete this animation that I've just added. And here we go. Now to add our animation, I'll go ahead and click on the slide that I want to animate. So I want to animate this. And then I'll click on add animation. And then also here, I'll click on fly from right, or this time around I can change it to fly from top like that, and then the speed I'll leave it to fast like that, and then go ahead and click on the slide to begin the animation. And look at that, the text has moved from top to down. So if I want to adjust the speed, I'll have to stop first and then maybe move at a medium speed like that, and then proceed and play. And to launch it, I'll go ahead and then click on the slide, and look at that, that is the medium speed. So that's how you can animate your images or even text in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.